I'm not so sure if you know this company I'm visiting today, but in some years, this company will be on everybody's lips. This is VinFast. Right now I'm standing outside of Hanoi, outside the factory of VinFast. And VinFast is a part of Vin Group, which is one of the biggest organizations in Vietnam. And they're producing buses, they're producing scooters, they're producing a big amount of cars. And they also build schools, healthcare, they have big cities and even shopping malls. They have everything to improve life quality. And now I'm here at the factory in Vietnam to take a look at the bus production. So let's go inside the factory to take a look at the production of VinFast buses. And it's not so strange if you haven't heard about VinFast yet, because they are a very new player on the market. They produced their first e-bus back in 2021 in the pandemic. So now we will see the full-scale production of the buses. So now we will go inside one of the newest bus factories on planet Earth. And they are really aiming high. Now we're inside a general assembly line for the bus production of VinFast e-buses. And this building was built in 2020, so it's quite new. And it is on 50,000 square meters. So let me walk you through the whole production of a VinFast e-bus. It starts here with the welding. Everything from the chassis to the steel frames and all the small parts and bits is here behind me. And then they start to make the construction of the frame of the bus. And then it looks approximately like this. And everything inside this building is done with a very high precision. And just look how big it is. And here they're welding the sidewalls, the roof, everything that in the end will create the whole steel frame of the bus. And you can see there is not so many stations before the steel constructions get bigger and bigger. And it can soon be mounted onto the bigger platform that will start shaping a bus.
In this body shop there is no robot. Everything is handmade. They are welding everything by hand, putting them together to make the structure of a complete bus.
And here we can see a final steel structure. This is the 10-meter e-bus from VinFast. Looks like a very solid job.
They produce buses between 6 and 12 meter here. For the local market, it's up to 10 meter. It's 6, 8 and 10. For the European market, it's 8 and 12 meter. But right now, all the buses here is for the local Vietnamese market. I would like to say that you can choose whatever color you like, but you have to be satisfied with a green bus. And it's similar to what Henry Ford said when he started production of the T-Ford, that any customer can get any color that he likes as long as it's in black. And here it is in green.
Now we're in the area of anti-rust protection. The corrosion work is done here by several different baths. All the buses will be dipped into different chemical process to stop the steel from rusting. And this is a process that will keep the vehicle running for many years without having any problems with rust on the steel frame, which is fantastic for the operators because you don't want a bus that is rusting.
After the tipping station, they put the whole body in a big oven and they raise up the temperature so it will be dry in very short time. And after that, they can start the painting of the bus.
Today we were not lucky enough to see a bus body coming up from the pool, but here we have car parts. This is doors and hoods for the cars.
Here at this factory they have a capacity of making 3,000 buses a year. Right now the production is only for the local market, but the plan is to export it to Europe as soon as possible. The buses for Europe will also have a different drive line. You will also see different type of floors. In buses for the local market, especially the 8 meter, have one step to get into the bus. That will be taken away for the European version.
And one thing I really like walking around at this factory is to see the smiles of the employees, because that's very important. You are working in a very hot environment and a very massive, it's noise, it's everything is happening here, but people are smiling. That shows that people working for VinFast is happy workers. Now we're coming into the next part of the production hall, and now we see more finished buses. And every day VinFast are able to finish 7 buses at their factory. So they do have a very high production capacity. We are taking a look at the batteries that's used on the e-buses from VinFast. And the biggest buses can have a maximum capacity of 10 battery packs. 6 of them will be in the floor and 4 of them will be on the roof.
The battery comes from CATL, and this is LFP type battery.
And what is really interesting to see here is how much more manual work it is on the buses compared to the cars. The cars were all robots, the cars were all automated, but here it's manual work, it's handcraft, it's the precision of the Vietnamese workers, and this will make the total quality. It's very interesting to see the big difference between the car and the bus production.
Every day they can produce up to 7 buses, and it takes less than 2 weeks to build a complete bus from scratch to it's ready for service. All the parts of the body is welded on, all the panels is in steel, and the reason is that steel are cheaper and lighter than fiberglass. But I can also see that all the panels are quite big. If you have a damage on the front or side of the bus, it can end up with replacing a big part of the side instead of only a small piece of fiberglass that we can see on many other brands. The buses that are going for the Nordic area will also have a front protection system R29. It will be safer for the driver and also for the passenger.
And now we can see some finished buses behind me. So finally we were able to see the bus production here. I'm so happy to finally have seen the bus production of VinFast. And even though you might not know this brand yet, you just have to learn it by heart, because VinFast is coming to stay. They have a high production quality, they have an interesting design. The only thing I will challenge them with is to make longer buses for the European market. Imagine a 3-axle version from VinFast, or even an articulated bus, then we're talking. I know that they are working on a high floor Class 2 bus, but let's see, I think at least the Nordic markets needs longer vehicle as well if VinFast will survive in the European market. Thank you so much for watching the video here today. And if you like what you see, click down here. The button is called subscribe, and then you will see all the future videos from us in Bussmagasinet. Until next time, drive safely. Have a great day.